Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday accused the Samajwadi party of fielding antisocial elements in the assembly polls and said the fake Samajwadis will corner the benefits given by the centre to the poor if they come to power. Addressing a virtual rally directed at Western UP constituencies, he urged people to keep history sheeters out and instead create a new history. Modi focused on law and order and the government measures to help farmers at the virtual Chaupal. The Prime Minister asked people to come out in large numbers on polling day and to vote before you eat. Pehle matadaan, fir jalpan, he said in Hindi at his second virtual rally for UP in recent days. Polling of the first phase is on February 10th. The virtual rally targeted voters in Ghaziabad, Meerut, Hapur, Aligarh and Noida.